Hey NFT lovers, Andy here from Nifty Things. Today I'm appealing to the NFT beginner or people who are interested in getting into NFTs. If this is you, then I've got a fantastic free resource that's going to help you understand the language used with NFTs. Before we dive into that, I'm looking for my first 100 subscribers, so if you can give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That would be really appreciated. So one of the things that I found was really difficult when I started out in NFTs at the beginning of 2021 was understanding quite a lot of the language that is used. So quite a lot of the language is borrowed from crypto or even things such as Discord. So when people say GM or GN, that it's good morning and good night, or WAGMI, we are going to make it. There's a lot of acronyms and terms and within the NFT vocab that make it hard for you to understand what people are talking about. So I've pulled together this glossary that you can see on screen here, Nifty Things NFT Glossary, where I've gone through and broken down what the meaning is on quite a few different terms that are used today in the NFT world. So we've got a whole lot here that I go through and explain, and if you read these and get to understand them, then you can start using them in your everyday use as part of the NFT community, and just understand what people within the NFT space are talking about. It's really easy to get this. I've put a link below in the description, so you can just click on that. You will sign up to my email list, but then I can reach out to you with offers and additional news and information to help you on your NFT journey. Anyway, I just wanted to do this quick video on the NFT language and the vocab that's used and how you can get this free resource. So before you go, I'd love it if you could give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.